Hello, my wonderful learners. Welcome back to the English Beat podcast. This is Ben, your English coach, your friendly guide, and your partner on this journey to better, faster, and more natural English. Today, we're going deep into something extremely important for daily conversations. The topic is common English phrases, quick conversations for daily use. If you want to speak English in a smooth, natural way, this episode is for you. So take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, clear your mind, and get ready. Because in the next few minutes, your English will level up. And yes, I know you want that. Everyone wants to sound natural and confident in English. And today, I'm going to help you do exactly that. Let me begin with a simple truth. Fluent speakers do not think word by word. They don't sit there thinking, I need a verb, now a noun, now an adjective. No, they use phrases, ready-made combinations of words that fit together naturally. When you use phrases, you sound like a real English speaker. You don't stop, you don't freeze, you don't panic, you just speak. So today I will give you conversations, phrases, tips, and challenges that will train your brain to think in English. And yes, we will have fun. We might even laugh a little. Learning should never be boring. Let's begin with our first conversation. Conversation 1. Greeting. A. Hey, what's up? B. Not much, just relaxing. U. This phrase is fast, friendly, and supernatural. Hey, what's up? Is not about the sky. It simply means, how are you? But the tone is more casual. Repeat it in your mind. Use it with friends or co-workers. It is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation. Let's move to another useful one. Conversation 2. Asking for help. A. Excuse me, can you help me? B. Sure, what do you need? A. I'm looking for the bus stop. B. It's right over there. Never be afraid to ask for help. This phrase is polite and universal. Excuse me, can you help me? Works in airports, malls, offices, anywhere. Conversation 3. At school or work. A. Can you explain that again? B. Of course. No problem. This is a powerful phrase. Many learners feel shy asking questions, but asking for clarity shows confidence, not weakness. Use it when you want someone to repeat something in a respectful way. Conversation. 4. Small talk. A. It's really hot today. B. I know, I'm melting. Small talk is the secret door to big conversations. Simple comments about weather, traffic, or a long day can break the silence and start a friendly interaction. Conversation 5. Making plans. A. Do you want to grab a coffee? B. Sure. Sounds good. The phrase sounds good is very common and very friendly. It shows agreement and enthusiasm. Use it in daily life, and you'll instantly sound more natural. Conversation 6. Polite request. A. Could you please send me the file? B. Sure, I'll send it now. Could you please is one of the most polite ways to ask someone for something. At work, in school, or even with friends, it makes your English sound professional and respectful. Conversation. 7. Ending a conversation. A. All right, I'll talk to you later. B. Sure, take care. A smooth, clean way to end a conversation. Not awkward, not abrupt, just natural. Now let's have a fun moment. Sometimes when people are nervous, they mix words in English. I once heard someone say, Ben, how many this cost? And I said, many? Are you planning to buy 10 of them? We had a good laugh. So remember the correct phrase. How much is this? Simple and perfect. Let's slow down a bit. I want to give you something deeper. The way you improve your English is by building phrase memory. Your brain should store phrases, not single words. Think of it like a toolbox. Every phrase you learn becomes a tool you can use anytime. Let's expand with more conversations. Conversation 8. At a restaurant. A. Can I get the menu, please? B. Sure, here you go. A. Thank you. Conversation 9. Showing interest. A. Really? That's interesting. B. Yeah, it happened yesterday. Easy, natural, very common in real conversations. Conversation 10. Clarifying information. A. Do you mean this one? B. Yes, that's the one. This helps avoid confusion and shows active listening. Conversation 11. Offering help. A. Do you need any help? B. No, I'm good, thanks. Short and polite. Conversation 12. Reacting to news. A. You won't believe what happened. B. What? Tell me. Perfect for storytelling moments. Conversation 13. Managing time. A. I'm running late. B. No worries, take your time. This makes you sound calm and understanding. Conversation 14. Agreeing politely. A. I think that's a good idea. B. Yeah, I agree. Very basic but very useful. Conversation 15. Disagreeing politely. A. I'm not sure about that. B. Yeah, maybe we can think again. This saves you from sounding rude. Now let's add more fun. Sometimes people try to sound polite, but end up sounding too formal. Once, my student said, Sir Ben, can you possibly, maybe in the future, when you have time, consider helping me with one grammar question? And I said, my friend, you could have asked me the question 30 times in the time you spent making that sentence. Let's keep it simple. Can you help me with the question? Is perfectly fine. Now listen carefully. If you want to speak English faster, you need to practice speaking without thinking too much. Thinking slows you down. Phrases help you think less and speak more. When you hear a phrase again and again, your brain recognizes it instantly. Here is your learning strategy. Every day, choose 5 phrases from this episode. Speak them out loud. Use them in a conversation. Record yourself, or talk to a mirror. Mirrors do not judge you. They don't say, please repeat. They just listen. And honestly, they look a little confused. But that's fine. It means you're doing great. Now I have a challenge for you. Today, choose 3 new phrases and use them with someone. It can be a friend, a classmate, a coworker, or your family. If you have no one to talk to your pet. Pets love attention. Just make sure they don't answer back. If they do, call me immediately. That's not an English lesson anymore. That's a science discovery. When you finish the challenge, comment. Ben, I completed the challenge. I read your comments every day, and I reply personally. Let's review the essential phrases again. Hey, what's up? Excuse me, can you help me? Can you explain that again? It's really hot today. Do you want to grab a coffee? Could you please send me the file? I'll talk to you later. Take care. Can I get the menu, please? Really? That's interesting. Do you mean this one? Do you need any help? What? Tell me. I'm running late. I agree. I'm not sure about that. You're doing fantastic. You're learning real English. You're building confidence. And the most important thing, you're not giving up. Progress is slow at first, but then suddenly one day you realize you can understand, speak, and think in English without stress. Remember this, you are growing every day. Every phrase you learn is a new step forward. You don't have to be perfect. You only need to be consistent. Thank you for listening to the English Beat podcast. This is Ben, and I'm proud of your progress. Keep practicing, keep speaking, keep believing in yourself. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, take care and keep your English active.